Shh. Down here. I'm in a little bit of a situation. In a week and a half, Sumo's Scrapwood Challenge 2020 launches. I was going to use this lovely reclaimed hardwood stop block for my new mitre station, which is nearly finished, but then Wifie came up with a quick request. How do I put this? She wants a weed wagon. Right, we ain't here to fornicate with arachnids, so let's get cutting, planing, sanding, and moving on. Everything in here is pretty much a bed-slat, all reclaimed off the side of the road. Very simple construction, hacking together this mildly illegal weed wagon, but we ain't going to leave it ugly. Cutting off the corners at 45s gives us an octagon, which last time I checked needed a 22.5 degree bevel on the little trim pieces to make them fit lovely. Marking out where the brads are going to go, bit of glue, couple of clamps, smack smack fire action, and trimming down the corners to fit nice and snug. Can't be crude, got to give it a quick sand. Smack some feet, counter board on one end. Pull out the Wagner, that's pretty much real time. And why not add some bling with an offcut of the Tassie Oak ukulele stand to make a little handle for the other end. Appropriate, as they're both wifey projects. Drum sander in the drill, coat of Danish oil, attach two little casters at the other end for easy mobility. Bolt down that beautiful Tassie Oak handle onto the lovely Mission Brown Weed Wagon. Couple of dowels, just cause why the hell not? And bangski, she's all done. And why have we risked the law's wrath by propagating weed, I hear you say? Weeds! Well, that would be thanks to this fuzzball. Bon appetit, little mousey. Bon appetit. What do you reckon, Sumo? Not bad for scrapwood and a couple of hours work? Mousey likes it. How about you guys?